In today's Salesforce environment, balancing security and usability is key. Introducing SmartSession Manager, a smart, configurable solution that alerts users before their session expires, keeping work secure and uninterrupted. Let's see SmartSession Manager in action inside an Experience Cloud site. Here, we're dragging and dropping the session timer component right onto the page. Simple, no code required. To make the session timer available to users, a quick permission setup is required. Simply assign the session timer access permission set to the appropriate users or profiles. This ensures they have the necessary access to view the modal and interact with the session controls while maintaining strict security boundaries. Once active, SmartSession Manager automatically monitors user activity. When inactivity is detected, a clean, customizable modal appears with a countdown timer and options to continue or log out. If no action is taken, the session ends automatically, keeping data secure and workflows uninterrupted. Now, we'll add the SmartSession Manager component to the home page and see it in action. Once placed, it instantly starts monitoring activity. Next, let's look at how SmartSession Manager gets its configuration. By default, the app uses values defined in custom metadata types. These records act as the foundation for the session timer. Controlling key settings like the inactivity timeout duration, countdown length, and even the modal's title, message, and styling. So, as soon as the component is added to a page, it automatically picks up the configuration from the custom metadata record, ensuring the session timer behaves exactly as defined, without any extra setup. Now, let's create a new custom metadata record. Each record can have its own session configuration, and based on the priority, the pop-up will be shown accordingly. You can also set the post time action, which defines what happens after the countdown, either log out to end the session, or redirect to a specific page. If you choose redirect, you must add the redirect URL here. You can further customize the modal with your preferred title, message, colors, and logo to match your brand. Once done, click Save, and your new configuration is ready to use. Now we'll navigate to the home page and wait for a few seconds. After the inactivity period, the SmartSession Manager pop-up appears automatically, displaying the countdown and session options. SmartSession Manager also supports hierarchical custom settings for more control. Admins can define session rules at the org, profile, or user level, giving full flexibility for different needs. Now, let's create a new record under user-level settings. This allows us to define a specific session configuration for an individual user, overriding the org or profile defaults. Next, we'll assign the session timer access permission set to this user for testing. This ensures the user has the required access to view the session timeout pop-up. Now, we'll log in as the assigned user and test it. After a short period of inactivity, the SmartSession Manager pop-up will appear based on the user's configuration. With setup complete, SmartSession Manager is ready to go securing sessions and alerting users before timeout across Salesforce and Experience Cloud. Stay alert, stay secure with SmartSession Manager. Get it today from the Salesforce App Exchange.